Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Pretty Smooth Love Elixir is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.16% and for the most part most recent 1 hour in a sort of large manner. SLP explicitly has a really complete market cap of $91,704,062 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,714,095, which for the most part is very critical. This in every way that really matters. Makes all things considered. Smooth Love Elixir sort of positioning at 278 in the digital currency market in an essentially significant manner. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Smooth Love Elixir cost forecast finish of 2023, what will commonly Smooth Cherish mixture sort of be worth in 2023? Is Smooth Love mixture a kind of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge? Will SLP cost truly outperform its unequaled high, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? These essentially are our really Smooth Love mixture cost expectations for SLP's future amazingly. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2023 as per the in every practical sense. Smooth Love Mixture Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination. In 2023, the SLP cost explicitly is supposed to commonly cross an extremely normal value level of $0. The normal especially least value worth of most certainly Smooth Love Mixture toward the finish of the all things considered current year ought to truly be $0 in unpretentious manner. Besides, SLP can by and large arrive at a greatest value level of $0, which generally is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Elixir Value Figure June 2023 the in every practical sense. Normal cost of truly Smooth Love Mixture could explicitly go to $0 the finish of June 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. SLP could sort of exchange around a kind of greatest worth of $0, the sort of least expected cost of $0, which for the most part is very critical. SLP Value Gauge July 2023. With respect to July 2023, most certainly Smooth Love Elixir by and large is supposed to explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, least value worth of $0 a sort of significant manner. The SLP cost could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $0, the exceptionally normal cost around $0 in essentially significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of kind of Smooth Love Elixir essentially is supposed to for the most part be at around a kind of least of $0, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Mixture cost can by and large arrive at a very limit of $0, the genuinely normal cost of $0 USD, which is genuinely huge. SLP Value Gauge September 2023. With respect to September 2023, especially Smooth Love Mixture explicitly is supposed to sort of arrive at an especially least value worth of $0. The SLP cost could especially arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0, the really normal cost around $0 in especially large manner. SLP Value Figure October 2023. The especially Smooth Love Elixir conjecture for October 2023 expects that the SLP may by and large arrive at a very greatest worth of $0, a kind of least cost of around $0, which explicitly shows that SLP Value Gauge September 2023, concerning September 2023, extremely Smooth Love Mixture generally is supposed to especially arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0, or so they truly thought. Discussing the truly normal value SLP can generally stretch around $0 October, or so they really thought. SLP Value Figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of in every way that really matters. Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is determined to especially be at around an especially least worth of $0, or so they basically thought. The in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Mixture value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an extremely limit of $0, the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way. SLP Value Conjecture December 2023. With respect to December 2023, truly Smooth Love Mixture essentially is supposed to truly arrive at an especially least value worth of $0 a sort of significant manner. The SLP cost could in a real sense arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0, the truly normal cost around $0 a for the most part enormous manner. Smooth Love Mixture by and large past value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been most certainly diminished by 0.37% in its ongoing worth. So SLP Value Gauge December 2023. With respect to December 2023, sort of Smooth Love Elixir truly is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0, which especially is very critical, assuming we in a real sense look at the for the most part current market cap of the SLP with yesterday. you can truly see that the market cap in every way that really matters is likewise down, or so they truly thought. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the SLP in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.94% in a huge manner. Smooth love mixture explicitly has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential recently, and this could be generally excellent chance to basically dive right in and contribute. Or so they for the most part thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP generally diminished by 26.914%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. Certainly further appearance how SLP value conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, for the most part smooth love mixture for the most part is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $0, or so they by and large thought. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be an especially decent for the most part purchase and open door for sort of fast speculation, demonstrating the way that the exceptionally smooth love mixture value worth can by and large arrive at a limit of $0, the really normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 25.75%, and the cost truly flowed from a very least genuinely normal cost of $0 in every way that really matters. Greatest sort of normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In most recent 4 months especially smooth love elixir by and large has shown a developing pattern, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. In this manner, we fundamentally believe that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period. Truly further appearance how besides SLP can essentially arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0 a kind of large manner, as per the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of pretty smooth love mixture basically is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how is truly smooth love elixir a wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which essentially is very huge. The coin truly is up by 5.69% with the exceptionally greatest kind of typical cost of the coin sort of was around $0 the in every practical sense. Least lovely normal cost of truly was around $0 certainly beyond 4 months in a huge way. Smooth love elixir value gauge 2023 FAQs what will in a real sense be essentially smooth love mixture worth in 2023 in opposition to mainstream thinking. The SLP cost fundamentally is estimated to generally arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0 sort of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. As far as cost, really smooth love mixture has an exceptional truly potential to arrive at new levels, showing how these certainly are our kind of smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future, which generally is very critical. It generally is estimate that SLP will increment in esteem, as per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Beautiful smooth love elixir can especially stir things up around town. The greatest cost of 1 cent till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner is in every practical sense. Smooth love elixir exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love potion's worth is supposed to keep on